Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix device type unknown on Instagram app. So make sure to download this correct app, and also this app is up to date. And once you are logged in with your account on Instagram, so just click on the profile icon on the below right corner. And once you're here, just click on these three lines on the upper right corner and you will go to this tab, settings and privacy. And on here you will see multiple options like how you use Instagram and other many options. So just click on account center. Like the first option, click on your account, go to the account center, and on here you will see like profile, sharing across profiles, logging with accounts, password and security. So just click on password and security and just click on where you are logged in. Like you will see all these options: change password, two factors, save login alerts, where you are logged in. So just click on where you are logged in, and on here just click on these accounts, and on here you will see like everything like where are you logged in, which are the devices, and also other details, the time and the dates you can read. So let's say you are seeing the issue like device type unknown. So just click on this device. Let's say I have this device, and after that just click on log out. So once you click on log out, you will be automatically logged out from your account. And once you're logged out, just simply log in again and your issue will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can solve these issues. Just log out and log in again and your issue will be solved.